starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17.50 an hour. And we've got our first order. It is a stacked Seize the Bagel. This one's going 7 miles.
Here's the one. And let me go ahead and close this one here for you. Ready to put that. Wait, oh. Drop it. Here you go.
One day. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Oh, that was a pretty good order, actually. Total ended up being $14. I just got the next order. This is going to be a shop and deliver for Safeway. I believe this is alcohol. $12 going 6 miles, 2 items. I'm looking for this. There's some on the other side, but I realized it's not the same size. Oh, yeah. Cool. Okay, and then just a scribble in there for me. Next order just came in. We've got a kitchen table cafe going just under 4 miles. Why are they messaging me? It says, "Good morning. Thank you so much for bringing my family breakfast today. We appreciate it." Okay, that message better not be in place of a tip. That's all I'm saying. But you're welcome, I guess. I know I'm doing you a huge favor.
There you go.
Thank you. You too. Oh, pretty good tip, actually. Total ended up being $9 and change for that. Thank you, thank you. And we got the next order right away. This is Subway going 6.5 miles. I didn't even realize this was a Hampton customer until just now. Is this for you by any chance?
That's for me.
What was the name on the order?
Jesse.
Jesse, yes, there you are.
All right, thank you.
Have a good one. Total ended up being $6 and change for that. And we got the next order right away. This is gonna be for Burgerville going less than 2 miles. This one I'm not a huge fan of, but whatever. It should be quick.
Pick up for parents?
Yes. Thank you. Okay, I wasn't expecting it to be that quick, but I'll take it. Okay, that order took me 8 minutes and I made $5 out of it. So I guess worth it considering it took like no time. And we got the next order right away. This is gonna be McDonald's going 2.5 miles. Total ended up being $5 and change for that one. Okay, we can stop with the short, small orders now. Oh, here's a good one. This is a McDonald's, $10 going 5.5 miles.
Sorry, I hadn't had a chance to put it out yet.
You're all good, thank you. Next order up, we've got a Gravity Coffee going 8 miles. These are the type of orders I don't understand. This coffee cannot be that good to be ordering from that far away.
For you, this one for you as well.
Ooh, yeah, that one was not very good. Total ended up being $8. On to the next one, which is a kitchen table cafe going 6 miles. Thank you. Okay, now that place was packed. Total ended up being $9 for that one. Next up, we have a stack. I think this is going to the same person. We got Black Rock Coffee and Kitchen Table Cafe going just under 7 miles. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Huge tip on that. Total ended up being $25 for that. Wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just got the next order. This is gonna be for the Human Bean going 6 miles.
Have a good one.
You too, thank you. Oh, of course it's upstairs. Total ended up being $7 for that one. Okay, I'm not getting any good orders anymore, and I'm pretty hungry, so I might just call it. Current time is 10:51. Total, we are at 110. It's still pretty early for that type of total, so it's been a good day. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.